Welcome. I'm using ALCATEL 1S, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. And to get started, simply open up the Contacts application. You're looking for the standalone version of it. From here, I'm going to tap on the three bars. There we go, 3 bars. Navigate to Settings, and then on the bottom you'll have Import option. Once you select it, it gives you the option to import either from VCF file or SIM card. And once you select one of those, it will take you to the contacts on that SIM card. By default, it will select all of them, so you can deselect contacts that you would not want. Additionally, if you have some kind of contacts that are deselected and grayed out, don't worry, those contacts already exist on your phone, and basically the phone is trying to prevent you from duplicating those contacts. So anyway, from here, once you have everything selected that you want, click on Import, and there you go, 5 contacts imported, and you should find them now in your contacts list. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.